Active everyone. Yeah. Screen is visible to you. Great. Let's see. Fine. Let's see, guys. Good morning, everyone. Shall we start our class? Bye. I thought 2 class with office can be manageable. It will take adjusting. It will take a time. No. Yesterday I had not shared you the notes, right? Today I will. After evening, like when I'm going to teach that batch, my mind limit reached there at that time. Like after 9, when I'm going back to the room, like if somebody is asking me, one of my friend is asking me, और क्या हो रहा है? मतलब भाग जाओ यहाँ से. Not possible to talk after 9 also. So let's see, guys. So we had completed with right. Can you please explain flush in Hibernate? Okay, I will. That things we can use it in directly JP. I will show you there. If the time constraint will not there, don't worry. Let's see, guys. So we are done with the mapping relation, right? Mapping relation with one phase of how actually 1 to 1 will work. In this 1 to 1, we had seen unidirectional we had seen, as well as we had seen the bidirectional here. Very important, guys. These are the interview terms only. Bidirectional. In unidirectional, guys, suppose if we have 2 class, question and answer will be there. Lots of the people have a confusion. Still confusion is there in their mind, right? Today we'll work on many to one and many to many if the time allows. Let's see. Now in this, what we are knowing, like one question mapped with one answer or not? Mapped with one answer. One with one answer. Now as a result, everybody see. Right, let's see. As a result, guys, in this next one, if we are looking at this next one, we have question and we have answers. Now here, in this phase, we are seeing one question mapped with one answer and one answer mapped with one question. In that side also, one answer mapped with one question. One question here. Understand it? Right? Let's see. Here we are applying. In this case, in this phase, we are applying at the rate 1 to 1. As a result, if we see the table, guys, everybody understand? If we see the table in this case, so 2 table will be created for sure. 2 table will be created for sure, which have the question table and which have the answer table. Now in this question table, we have question ID. Question is there and foreign key will be there. In this table, we have answer ID, right? Answer will be there and sorry, ID will be there. Now here, this ID directly indicate which column of this place, guys? Foreign key. Foreign key. So right now we can understand in this manner this particular set of one-to-one unidirectional. If I'm talking about bidirectional, guys, right? If we are talking about bidirectional, see here, this bidirectional, रे यार ये भी नहीं मानोगे, मत मानो. Sometimes this is creating irritating one, guys. Huh? This time, guys, everybody see here. Both question class, inside both question class and answer class, we are writing what, guys? At the rate 1 to 1. At the rate 1 to 1. Right? At the rate 1 to 1. Everybody concentrate. At the rate 1 to 1. 1 to 1. Perfect. Both place. As a result, how many table will be created, guys? 2 table. How many table? 2 table will be created. Now 2 table is created here. Right? 2 table will be created here. Okay. 2 table available. First one is which table, guys? Question. The next one is answer. But right now, ID, question, and foreign key will be there. Foreign key will be there. Here also, ID, answer, and foreign key will be there in both sides because we had applied 1 to 1 in both sides. As a result, everybody understand. As a result, lots of the people have asked me the question. This foreign key will go in this place. This ID will go in foreign key this place, guys. Right? Okay. And this foreign key, this foreign key go in this place. Right or not? Both side we have a foreign key here. Which foreign key? Question for question ID act as a answer foreign key, and answer ID act as a question foreign key. Is it there or not? Okay. Sorry. Answers foreign key match with question ID, not foreign key. Question ID, this one, right? And answer, see here, answer whatever. कहाँ गया यार, क्या था? हाँ, सही बोलो. Agreed. Yeah. Answer ID, which is primary key, is act as a foreign key of question. Question ID act as a foreign key of what, guys? Answer. Right? We had seen this. Right? We had seen this part. Now both side bidirectional things are there. Bidirectional things are there. But the confusion state will be there. Confusion will be there. Confusion is what? Here also the foreign key. Here also the foreign key. Which one is of whom? The pretty confusion created. That's why we are working with what, guys? At the rate 1 to 1. Inside at the rate 1 to 1, we are using what, guys? Mapped by. Now, if you write this mapped by in question, if you write mapped by in question, everybody understand? This conclusion is very important to you. In question class, if you write this 1 to 1, right? 1 to 1, mapped by, right? The same answer. Then what will happen, guys? Tell me. Now which foreign key, in which class the foreign key will gone? This is the important one. This is the interview question. Chalo. Lots of the people still not done the hands on because I had not shared the notes, even though I told you to take the screenshot. See here. Right now, everybody concentrate. Everybody concentrate here, guys. 121 is there in which class? Answer class. 9999999. Wait. Chalo, thank God. Right? See here. 121 is there. Everybody concentrate. Just a minute, please. Let's see. Now we have this one, what is mapping and all those. Okay, great. Now let's run the program and check, guys. First of all, see the requirement. This requirement represent what? Right now we are in unidirection or bidirection? We are in unidirection or bidirection? Bidirection. Means in both the table, foreign key will be available or not? Okay, what is the foreign key right now? Tell me in answer, what will be the foreign key? Question ID. And in question, what will be the foreign key? Answer ID. This one. This, okay, hold on. This is question. This have the foreign key. Okay, this have a primary key. Primary key is name is what? Question ID. This is the answer. This have the primary key. Primary key is what? Answer ID. Okay. Now tell me right now, if inside this question, if because of 121 foreign key will be generated or not? This foreign key will be of which class? Answer class. Which one? Answer ID. Okay, now let's see. Now, because of this 121, foreign key will be generated inside the answer table or not? Yes. This foreign key is of what type? Primary key of which class? Questionnaire. Primary key of questionnaire. Right? Now let's see. Let's see the result first of all. Then we'll analyze it. Right? Let's see. The result is very important in that, not the exact output. Everyone see here. Now I'm writing here, select star from question. You can see right now, guys, you can see right now, in the question, who came? Answer ID is came as this place or not? Okay, question ID is there. 1, 2, 3 question is there. And answer ID as a foreign key came here or not? Okay. Now go for what, guys? Answer. Now go for answer value. Now in the answer value, guys, everybody see in the answer value, answer ID is there. This question IDs came in this form or not? Yes. Right? Now you can see here. Everybody concentrate this one. Now I'm asking you here. Tell me the answer and the things will be clear. Now class will be unidirectional or bidirectional? Bidirectional. Bidirectional means in both the class we had written 1 to 1 or not? Because of the writing 1 to 1, both table will create foreign key or not? Now foreign key of question table will be the type of answer ID or not? This one. Will be the type of answer ID or not? Yes. The foreign key of answer will be the type of question or question ID or not? The things are confusing right now. Visualization purpose, the things are confusing due to the name. Are you seeing this name? It's pretty different or not? Now suppose if somebody is seeing your table who don't have the idea about their class. Are you understanding what I'm trying to do? अरे यार फिर से हो रहा है यार. You know, I'm telling you one thing. एक चीज बता रहा हूँ, listen carefully. Maybe the possibility, hidden terms, corona is there. I'm not serious because one two friend of mine, he have a small daughter of 3 year, 2 year. Like she is little bit unhealthy from past 4 or 5 days. She had taken her to the doctor and doctor had done the checkup. Corona is there. Don't worry about it. One thing what I'm trying to tell you, you guys are habituated. It's cough and cold only. At that time you guys are very scared, right? अरे क्या हो जाए इंजेक्शन वगैरह ये वो. This is cough and cold only. Possibility इधर भी because my taste gone. I cannot smell. भाई है तुम लोग में निपटो. Now if somebody will get unhealthy here, blame me. हाँ? मैं क्या तुम्हारे पास आ रहा हूँ? तो but what, यहाँ से मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ तो तुम सुन के कोरोना हो जाएगा तुम्हें. हाँ? वाह, ये न्यू वर्जन आया ना, ये न्यू वेरिएंट आया. Previous variant will be by touching it. Now the variant will be if you listen my voice you will get corona. वाह, MBBS की है मैडम आप तो. अलग. Let's see guys. I'm just kidding यार, it's normal cough and cold. चलो इधर, चलो back to the track guys. अरे यार नॉर्मल सर्दी खांसी में भी टेस्ट जाता है यार? नहीं जाता. मतलब मैं ही खराब. Like I recovered, you see. 2 days only I feel some unhealthy type. Let's see guys. Online people also, you are right? You are also aware of my voice. New variant came, huh? Chalo, let's see. So right now, everybody concentrate here. अरे यार इधर. चलो, beware of dengue right now, not with this cough and cold. I'm telling you. घर भिजवा देगा dengue हुआ तो. Directly you will go back to your home. That's why I had alert you, put the all out in your room every time. Now tell me, right now we are in bidirectional phase or not? Okay, now tell me here, in the bidirectional phase we are getting confusion because of the name purpose or not? That's why the solution came into the picture, right? Everybody concentrate. For resolving the name issue, the solution came into the picture is go here, right? Go here. First of all, we should have to write here what guys? Mapped by. Now when we are writing mapped by, this mapped by will be same as the answer or not? Okay, answer or not? Yes. Right now the answer is there. Everybody concentrate. This is same as the answer. Now tell me, if I write mapped by here, the foreign key will be internally removed from which place? Answer or question? Okay, let's see guys, everybody concentrate here. Let's see here, when we are trying to run this program, right? When I'm trying to run this program, right? Let's check the table here guys, everyone. Question value, you can see right now, answer ID, question ID is there. When I'm writing here what? Answer value, you can see the foreign key will remove from the answer or not? Now foreign key is only available at which place guys? Question place. But internally it is there. Bidirectional. Don't think about that it is removed from this place. We need only in one place and we need both side verification. That's why for removing the confusion as well as with both, working with both bidirectional, we are going to use what guys? Mapped by. Okay, hold on. Now still the confusion of name is there or not? Someone who is directly seeing the table will get confused because right now foreign key name is what guys? Sorry, primary key name is what guys? Answer ID. But in the question the foreign key name is what? Answer ID. Its name is confusion or not? This name will be confusion or not? That's why right now for removing this name confusion guys, right? Okay, for removing these name confusion, everybody see where the name confusion is there? Inside the question. Everybody see here. Yesterday I told you it's a little tricky one, right? Again I'm asking to you. Right now we are performing unidirectional or bidirectional? Bidirectional. Bidirectional, both place foreign key will be created or not? But both place foreign key will be created, confusion started or not? That's why we had written what? Mapped by. Now mapped by will do what? It will work as bidirectional also. It will hide the foreign key from one place, and it will be visible at only one place now. As a result, confusion will be removed. Now the next set of issue is the name is mismatch. If somebody will directly see the name, can be confused that this answer ID and this one, how it's not matching. Right? That's why came into the picture. Everybody see here. Now we should have to first see where is the name confusion. The name confusion is in which table? Question table, right? So let's go to the question table, guys. Everybody concentrate. Let's go to the question table. Right? Let's go to the question table. Right? And here write at the rate join column. Now we are writing here what? Name equals to, and give the same name as which name? Answer ID, which is the primary key of whom, guys? Answer. Right? So right now what will happen? It will one-to-one create foreign key or not? Yes. Now foreign key previously creating something else name, but the name could be confusion. That's why for resolving that name confusion, we are writing what? At the rate join column with the same name as the primary key of answer ID. Right? Let's run the program and check the terms. These are the question. Why you are writing at the right join column? What is the benefit you will get? Right? Let's see. Let's see the database, everyone. Yeah. Now let's see. Question value. Now you can see here. Can you see now? Primary key of this one is act as a foreign key or not? Now anybody can understand this name conflict resolve? Are you clear, guys? Understand, this is hands-on only. This I can only give you visualizations. Unless you will not perform, this mapping is different thing. And the people is scared to touch this. Because if anybody touch, where I'm telling you, the legends are here. That's only the person who can go through this in depth. I will not take the name. The legend is there of Spring. Right? Everybody knows his name. He is the only one who can go through this. और किसी के बस की बात नहीं. Right? So this confusion topic you can only going to resolve from your mind once you will do hands-on. Chalo, I had tried my level best. Right? Now let me ask you the question and see one time it will be inserted. One-to-one will be of how many type? Unidirectional or bidirectional? Both. Unidirectional issue is when I am going to write unidirectional, foreign key will be created in one table or two table. Then we will write bidirectional or not for cross verification purpose. Now if I write bidirectionally both the class, we are writing one-to-one or not? If we write in the both class one-to-one, both class foreign key will be created or not? It will create confusion set or not? Then for removing this confusion, what will be there? Mapped by. Perfect. Now mapped by is there. Now what will happen? Bidirectional is also there, and the foreign key is all available in one place only. If we write mapped by in question, right? The foreign key will be removed from. Huh? Are you sure? Are you sure, guys? We had written here mapped by where? Answer. Foreign key will be removed from the answer or not? If I write mapped by in question, foreign key will be removed on question or not? Okay, great. Now we have only one foreign key, right or not? But the name could be the confusion. That's why for resolving that name, which came into the picture? At the rate join. Now we will write at the rate join column where, guys? where the name confusion is there, where the foreign key is there. I hope everybody is clear with that. This is all about one-to-one. They will ask you the question, use of one-to-one, where you can apply one-to-one, right? In one-to-one coding structure is what? What is unidirectional? What is bidirectional? What if I need only one foreign key in one table? What if I need both table have a foreign key? What if I want to change the name of the foreign key? How can I change the name of the foreign key? Exactly. Perfect. So these are the interview questions. Shall we go for many to one? Okay, let's start the next one. इतना ही कर सकता था भाई मैं. And literally, I respect those legends. Why? Without internet once helping once over the network AI things, those people had taught the things like any. You can say that they are exceptional, guys. When there is no AI, no support, thousands of people have got the job because of them. Understand their aura, understand their level. Oh, that's why I'm respecting them like anything. Though I'm at their place and competitor, but no, I'm not competitor. Still, I'm their students. So that's the thing you should have to learn. Even though you will perform better, you will give 100%, should always be in ground level. Then only you will get a good mindset. जहां तुम्हारे अंदर ईगो आया, after doing 1-2 application or project na software developer, you will see if your friend will get the job, and after one project, previously he will walk with you, and after doing 1-2 project, kaam hai bhai thoda some work. let's see. So bi-directional is there, guys. Okay, 1-to-1. Now everybody understand here. Everybody understand now what actually many to one or one to many is there. Everybody concentrate. Tell me the name, sir. Name. There is only one name. There is no need to tell all those. Everybody know. You can search who is the best one for the Spring, Hibernate and Core Java. You will get the name. Right? You will get the name in the internet. I will not speak. Yeah, Manish. Exactly. Chalo, let's see. All our students are there. All our world is there. One day I had heard that like he went to some US place, Finland somewhere he went for some meetings and all. 5 students are there in Finland. I thought, yaar, ye hua na baat. You are attending from US. Okay. Diksha. Chalo, let's see. Hope you are enjoying the class, Diksha. And you are learning something. Am I right, Diksha? Me too. Ouch. Great. Perfect. Chalo, let's see. Let's see, guys. Now, everybody understand here. Now, what I'm trying to tell you, many to one and all those. Now, I'm writing here. Now, I'm writing a question. What is Hibernate? And I'm teaching from Mars. Chalo, let's see. What is Hibernate here? Now, Could be the possibility, guys. Could be the possibility. Everybody concentrate. Could be the possibility that multiple check questions are there. A, right? B, and C. Select the right answer. Sometime question will be there in there. Now, first answer is, suppose here, first answer is Hibernate. Hibernate. Hibernate is an ORM technology. Is an ORM technology. Everybody understand? ORM technology. Now, the next one is Hibernate is framework, right? Framework. Hibernate is framework. Everybody concentrate. Framework. Now, the next answer will be Hibernate work as MVC model. And the next answer is Hibernate follows JPA rules. JPA rules. So among that, three answers are right or not? Among the three answers are right or not? Now what will happen, guys? This one question is going to map with, or ISR late se thoda or. One question will map with multiple answer or not? Yes. Now this question, this, right? This is ये अलग चलता है. Right? This one is there, right? The next one right now. The next one, the answer, right answer is this one also. And the right answer is what, guys? This D also. So right now one question is mapped with multiple answer, right? So here we can say this is what, guys? One, and this is what, guys? Many. Right? Now one question is mapped with many answer. Now in this way, how you can put the relation on the table? What are the way for putting the relation on table? Definitely, how many table will be created, guys? Two table. One table for what, guys? Question. One table for what, guys? Answer. Answer will be there. Great. Answer will be there. Now everybody understand how we can analyze it. So let's see. And let's see here. Now what will happen here right now? Right now the table will be created. Everybody understand? That table will be created, right? Now this table is a question table. Everybody concentrate here. Now this is of the question table. Now this is ID. This is the ID. This is the question, right? In the answer also, concentrate, guys. In the answer also, in the answer table also, we have here ID. We have a ID. We have the answer, right? Now what will happen here, guys? The primary key, which is this ID, act as what, guys? Foreign key for answer. Now suppose here the primary key of this is one. What is Hibernate? What is Hibernate? Right? What is Hibernate? Now there are three answers. One answer, right? Answer one. Answer one is there. Two. Answer two is there. Answer 2 is there, right? Answer 2 is there. 3 having answer 3 is there. Answer 3 is there. Answer 3 is there. Now what I want, one question, see here, see this explanation. One question have many answer or not? Yes. Then what will happen in the entity class of question, right? Question here, we are going to write here, everybody understand? In the entity class of questions, guys, we should have to write here. Now tell me, how many questions are there? One question. How many questions are there? One question are there. How many answers are there, guys? How many answers are there? Multiple, na? 3, more than 3. How many answers? Multiple answer, na? Tell me, one variable can store multiple value? Previously, we are writing here private. Everybody see here private. We are writing here answer. Everybody, we are writing here answer, and then we are writing here answer or not. Now what will happen, guys? This answer will take how many? 1 to 1 na? One question have one answer, but right now one question have one answer or multiple answer? Multiple answer. That's why we are writing here what, guys? List. We are writing here list. Now we are writing here what guys? List of the type answer, and we are writing here what guys? Answer. Now one question have multiple answer. That's why previously we are writing here what guys? 1 to 1. Right now we are going to write here one question have multiple answer. That's why 1 to many. बस यही तो है और कुछ नहीं. 1 to 1 की जगह 1 to many. Multiple, the previously we have one answer. Right now we have multiple answer. That's why previously we are writing variable. This time we are going to write here what guys? List. That's it. Khatam ho gaya. But again, one more thing. Understand it? Right now. If you are thinking the same thing will be act on the answer also? No. One directional is there. Are bi-directional means it's not like. Then if you are thinking that multiple question, multiple answer and multiple question also, that will become many to many. One question have how many answer? Many answer. Many question have how many question? That's why everybody understand here. Now the next, everybody see here. This is very Now let's see. Now the next one, right now, if I'm writing here entity class for answer, guys, everybody see here. Entity class for answer, right? Entity class for answer. Let's see. Now I'm writing here answer here. Answer here. Now this answer having how many question, how many answer are there, guys? Multiple answer are there or not? Okay. Now I'm writing here what, guys? Answer. Multiple answer. Multiple answer. Multiple answer is there. Now I am writing here private list. Then if I write list means how many question will come? But how many, these answer have how many questions? That's why we are still going to write here what, guys? Question. Now, sir, then what is the difference between 1 to 1 and 1 to many, na? Right? 1 to 1 and 1 to many. What is the there? Now see here, everybody concentrate. This is very important part. That's why I'm repeating it that many times. Now everybody concentrate. Right now, one question have how many answer? Multiple answer. And multiple question have how many? Multiple answer have how many question? One question. So the one question have multiple answer. That's why we had written it here. What? List. That's why we had written 1 to many. One question, multiple answer. That's why 1 to many. Now come to this side. I need unidirectional or both directional? Both. Cross verification needed for both side, na? Okay. Now when I go to this phase, tell me, this is multiple answer. Multiple answer have how many question? Huh? That's why you are going to write here at the rate, many to 1. Understand? Not 1 to 1. 1 to 1 indicate one question, one answer. Right? Here, previously we are writing both the case we are writing 1 to 1 na, but here you should have to understand this is only the important part where to write many to 1 and where to write 1 to many. Just you have to understand one question, multiple answer. So in the question phase we will write here what, guys? 1 to many, because one question have many answer. And when we are writing 1 to many, definitely many answer is going to come or not. That's why we are going to write here what? List. In the next phase, many question have only how many question? Many answer have how many question? 1. That's why we are going to write here what, guys? Many to 1. Now means many answer have only one question. Now as a result, where the foreign key will be created? Both or one? Let's see that practically. Shall we start the practical of this one? I hope you understand the requirement. I hope you understand the requirement and how we can fulfill the requirement. So let's write here, guys. Let's see. So I'm not going to create a same class. Let's copy paste the class, guys. Let's create a package. Right? Let's create a package. com dot nit dot right mapping to. Right? Let's write here. Everybody concentrate. इसको close करने दो. No. इसको रहने दो. Mapping to, guys. Everybody understand. Let's see here. Now I'm going to write here a class. Class name is what, guys? Question. question is there, and let's take this question here, whatever the question we had written here, let's take this question, not for this place, this place. Take this question, done. Humor. Acha, answer is not there. That's let me comment. Hey bhai, tu ja. Tu niche ja. Let's see. The next one I'm creating here, what guys? Answer. Everybody concentrate. The practical proof of this one. Answers. Answer or answer? Answers, right? Answers. Let's go here, guys, and let's copy paste this all answer here. Right? Let's go to the answer place. Add it there. So remove this answer here and remove this MCQ generator. Now everybody concentrate. Previously we are using one to one, right? One to one. Now we are not going to use this one to one, right? Previously we are using here one to one. Now we are not going to use this one to one. Now let's see what we are going to use. Everybody concentrate, right? Let's see. Now we are going to write here, right? We are going to write here private. Okay, tell me question. One question have how many answer? Check out and tell me. One question have how many answer? Multiple answers. So that's why I'm writing here private and list, right? List, right? Java.util, and we are going to write here the class as what, guys? Answer, mapping to, and what is that? Answers. Answers. Okay, great. Now, right now, what will happen? One question have multiple answer. That's why I'm going to write here what, guys? One question have multiple answer. That's why one to many. One to many. Everybody understand? Very critical topic on the way. For next 20 minutes, right? A final wave is there for you for this part. If you will tackle this one, many to many also done. Right? Please concentrate here. Now, let's see here. Now, the next one is answer here. Now, inside the answer, how many answers are there? Many answer. Many answer have how many question? One question. That's why I'm writing here private question, right? Question I'm writing, and here we are going to annotate with the annotation what, guys? At the rate many answer have one question. Now in both we are working with bidirectional or not? Okay. Now if we are working with bidirectional, let's see how to write the MCQ generator class, right? Now everybody concentrate. How to write a MCQ generator class? Oh, first of all, before that, we should have to map this in hibernate.configuration file. And I hope everybody is doing this mistake only every time. Out क्यों आ गया? इसको किसने बनाया? Let me delete this. Ivan. Okay, let's see. Previously we are using task. Now we are going to use which package, guys? com.nit.mapping2.question, right? com.nit.mapping2.answer. Okay, this Hibernate configuration also done. Now let's go for MCQ generator class. Everybody concentrate. Now let's go for MCQ generator here. MCQ generate. Multiple question. MCQ multiple choice. Multiple correct. Multiple correct is one class. Now inside this, let's first create here questionnaire. Everybody concentrate. Now I'm creating question, right? Question. Everybody see this execution flow. Very important. Question equals to new question, right? Question dot set. Question dot set question equals to what is Hibernate? Hibernate. What is Hibernate? This is set. ID will be generated automatically now internally because we had written @ID and we had written @generated value. Now let's write the answer here. So first of all, we are going to write here answer here. Everybody concentrate. Now I'm creating here what answer one. Answer one mapping to only answer one. Yeah, answer. answer 1 equals to what we are going to write here, new answer है, new answer है. Now everybody see here, इसको यहाँ ले लेते हैं, wait, चलो, let's see. Now answer 1, everybody concentrate. Answer 1 dot set answer as, suppose I'm giving multiple answer. Hibernate is an ORM technology. Okay. Now the next one, answer 2, I'm giving as, right, answer 2 I'm giving as, right, Hibernate follows JPA rule. Rules. Exactly. Now the next one right now, answer 3 equals to, everybody concentrate. Hibernate is framework. Is a framework. Okay, 3 answers are there, 1 questions are there. Everybody concentrate. How many answers are there? Multiple answer. How many questions are there? 1 question. हाँ क्या हो गया भाई? अच्छा 3, 2. ठीक है? Now let's see. Now we will create a list here. Now I'm writing a list here. Everybody concentrate. List of what, guys? Answers, right? List of answers and data equals to new array list. Array list will be created, right? And then we are going to add it, guys. What is that? Data dot what is that? Add of answer 1, right? Or add all also you can do, right? Data dot add of answer 2, right? Data dot add of answer 3. Now done. Now what will happen? This is done here. We had created 1 question, we had created multiple answer, and in the list there are multiple answer. Now I have to set the multiple answer inside the question or not. That's why we are writing here. What is that? Question dot, right? Question dot question dot set answer equals to data set or not? Yes. Now what will happen? A list is set with the data, and data contain what? Multiple answer. Everybody see, this is the confusion state. 1 question, multiple answer, 1 array list which contain multiple answer. Now we had set the list inside the set answer. Now what will happen? It will go to the question and set inside this value or not? Yes. Now I have to tell Hibernate to process this. So let's tell the Hibernate. Now how to tell, guys? First of all, session is there, current session equals to connection stabilizer or stabilize connection. Connection stabilizer connection stabilizer dot get connection. Don't ask me, sir, कहाँ से? वहीं सोमवार से, right? From the Monday onwards. If you are asking, sir, from where you are taking it? From Monday I am taking it, right? If you remember, right? And then what is that? Open session. Done. Now we are writing here what, guys? Transaction. Now let's see. Transaction equals to current session dot build transaction. I hope everybody understood about the what is build transaction. Begin transaction, sir. Begin transaction, right? Now hope everybody understand about the open session will do what? It is a factory method giving the object or not? It will help for working bulk of the input or not? Yes. Now one unit will work with there. Okay, let's see, guys. Now I'm trying to save it, right? Let's try to save this, right? First of all, current session dot which method, guys? Persist. Sir, initial version don't need this persist also, because you are writing commit, right? I mean to say, see here, we are writing here what? Question data nahi. What is that question? Now which value? Now right now Hibernate will save which? Okay, this persist method internally called which method? Which query? Insert query. Means the Hibernate is going to insert the values in which table? Question table. Right or not? Okay. How, sir? Because we had created what class? Question class. Hibernate will check. Everybody see, Hibernate will check. This question is the type of what? This question. It will go for the question and it will check here. Question is as an entity, as a table. It will create the table or not? And then insert the data or not? Yes. Now everybody concentrate here. Now when we'll go here, now let's see. Let's set the answers also. So current session dot, what is that, guys? Set persist of what, guys? Answer 1. Right? Every particular set will be inserted now. Current session. Array yaar, this is not, I'm not setting this to the class. I'm telling Hibernate to insert this value in the database. This one right now, I'm telling whom? I'm telling myself, my class to set the data, right? In the same manner, see here, every question if you are writing, so answer one dot set question is there or not? Right? In the same manner, right now, everybody concentrate. Answer 2 dot set same question or not? Yes. In the same manner, right now, answer 2, answer 3 set with the same question or not? Yes. Now means what? The question have, right now, the question have multiple answer, but multiple answer have only one question, right? And now we are trying to set it. Everybody see the issue you will see here right now, right? Answer 2. Okay. The current session dot persist of what, guys? Answer 3. Now done. This is done. Now let's write here. Now I am writing here transaction dot, what is that? Commit is there. And then we are writing here current session dot close. Okay. Let's see, guys, everybody. Let's drop the table first of all. Drop table answer value. See here first of all. What is telling? See, first of all, see na. Answer table is storing which value? This is the proof I have to show you. Answer table, if you are trying, it is telling that array. Answer table is using someone else's primary key. Okay, now you are trying to drop the table as which table, guys? Question table. Now see what it is telling. Table drop or not? Because question table right now contain any for right now you can see question table is internally. Arey kahan gaya kya tha? Right now you can see here foreign key is available here. No, but though it is telling that I cannot delete because the. Are you getting my point? Internally it is following the things or not? Arey yaar, mapped by will stop the foreign key from one table na, but internally it is using or not? Yes. Now see, now let's drop the answer table. Now the table will be dropped or not? Okay, let's commit. Done. Now freshly we'll start for this one. Now let's run the program and check out the input. I hope everybody is clear with this. One question, multiple answer. That multiple answer stored inside list. Okay. And we had set that multiple answer in the question. Every answer have only one question. Yes. Now we are telling Hibernate to insert all the thing in the table. Am I clear up to that? Okay. मैं बोला था थोड़ा होगा. And I will give you the disclaimer in the starting only. Right? See? Done? Okay, everybody see. Now everybody done. Now you can see. Insert into question. Answer. How many question will be inserted, guys? 1. How many answer will be there? 3. Okay, don't see about these things. Right? Let's go to the table and see the table first of all. What table will print? Tell me, we are working with unidirectional or we are working with bidirectional? Bidirectional. So as per our expectation, the foreign key will be created in both sides. We had not used mapped by na. Have we used mapped by? Anywhere? Then definitely foreign key will be created in both the side. Okay, let's see, guys. Everybody see here. right? Select star from question. Select star from question. See, any foreign key of answer came? Select star from answer. Everybody see here. Foreign key of question came. Foreign key of question came. Now you can see here, guys. Right now, in question value, what we had written, everybody understand. Right now, in the question, we had written what here? In the question, we had written what? One to many. Now, if the one to many, how many foreign? Is it given? 1 to 1. How many foreign key? 1. 1 to many. How many? Any clarity is there? That's why the risk is not there. That's why he is not taking the risk. In 1 to, where the things will start from? 1 to 1. Foreign key will be created in both sides. Where the things will start from? 1 to many. Many means you don't have the guarantee. How many? How many you don't have the guarantee. That's why right now. But in answer table, are we seeing the end point is what, guys? Only. That's why the foreign key will be created only. Am I clear or not? मैं तो clear हूँ. You are clear or not? Right? Now tell me. यहाँ से clear नहीं. Right? Let's see. Now tell me the problem. Okay, I'm asking you the problem. Unidirectional is there? Yes. Foreign key is created at only one place? Yes. Both the issue which is there in 1 to 1, resolve in 1 to many at the single point or not? Now tell me, what is the issue you are facing here? Very good. What is that? Name conflict. Can we resolve the name conflict? Where the name conflict is there? At the answer. Let's go to the answer. How to resolve this name conflict? At the rate what, guys? Join column. At the rate join column. At the rate join column. Name equals to what, guys? Name equals to question ID. Question ID. Let's run the program here. Everybody see here. Let's run the program. Hold on. बहुत कुछ आ रहा है अभी. आ रहा है. Right? Let's see. अभी तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है. अभी तो wait करो. Question. Question ID is there. Answer. Came? So at the rate join column will only work for changing the foreign key name or not? Perfect. I hope यहाँ तक सही है. Very critical topic, guys. That's why I'm going in this manner. So that this is bare minimum I can attempt for you. Right? इससे ज़्यादा फिर अब नहीं हो पाएगा. If you're not understanding, फिर नहीं हो पाएगा दोस्त. Nor any YouTube channel. No anyone else. Nobody can do. I am trying my level best to reach the things in your mind. Or put the thing in your mind. Okay. Now the issue is, right? Now the issue is, right now, not issue. Can we persist multiple object? We'll see in many to many. We'll see about it. Don't worry. Now I want to fetch. Everybody concentrate. Now I want to fetch. Now let's see, guys. I'm writing here, sys out. Data. Fetching the data. Everybody understand here. Now see the issue. Fetching the data. Now let's fetch the data, guys. Now tell me, for fetching the data, what we have to do? Current session got dot get reference, and let's write here, I want to fetch the question only, and from the question only we'll get all the answer or not? Yes, question is there. Question dot what, guys? Class. And then we are writing here primary key as 1. Okay, it will. Now let's print here sys out. Everybody understand? Sys out. Question is plus reference dot, what is that? Get questions. So one question came. Now let's go for the answer. Now I'm writing here reference dot get answer. This answer is stored inside the list or not? Yes, this answer is stored inside what, guys? List. Let's print all the answer at a time, right? Answer dot, stream dot, for each dot, system, system dot, out colon. What is that? Println. Now, right now, right now, everybody understand this. What will happen here when you are trying to print? Question came. What is the question? What is an hibernate? What is a hibernate? Now, how many answers are there hibernate, guys? 3 answers. How you are so sure about it? Because you can see, sir, question ID 111 for every answer. When when the people are trying to fetch this one, internally all the answers will come, right? Okay. Now tell me, everyone, the problem will be there. This will print true string or not? Internally, this will print two string. Two string of which class? List class or not? Two string of list class or not? List class is present inside the question or not? And this is present inside the two string of question or not? Again, I'm asking you. These are the confusion only. See here. This will print two string of whom? List. This list is present inside which class? Question. At the rate data will provide two string or not? Two string is inside which class? So list is trying to print the two string of which class? Question class or not? Question class have how many answer? Multiple answer. Multiple answer also here the two string is available or not? Now here it will try to print question two string or not? Yes. In short, when we are trying to print here this value, it is internally printing the two string of question. Question have answer, answer have question. Again. When I'm trying to print, that's why I told you, when I'm trying to print system.out.colon println, it is printing the two string of list. List is present inside question. Question have answer. Answer have question have answer have. देखो as a result, everybody see here, concentrate. Question have answer, answer have question, right? As a result, everybody see here, you are getting here Stack Overflow because of the repeated method calling without any end. This is happening. Why? Because when we are printing system.out.colon println, it is printing the list class two string or not? And we just only need the list class two string, na? Again, I'm asking you here, see this issue. When we are printing this one, this is trying to print list class two string or not? And I need only the list class two string. But this list is internally available at the question place or not? And while printing this, definitely should have to go with the two string or not? Yes. Two string of which class? Question class. And the question is containing what? Answer. Then from this place, the two string will be called of which class? Answer class. Now when it will reach to the answer class, answer is containing what? Again it will reach to the question. Again it will reach to the answer. As a result, what will happen? Stack Overflow. For this one, that's why we have to remove the two string from this place. Sir, we had not written the two string, na? At the rate, data is providing me two string. How should I tell? I should have to remove this data now? Then I have to write manually each and everything? No. That's why right here, everybody concentrate, right here, at the rate two string dot exclude. This will exclude the two string and keep the lambok as it is. right? I need both two string excluded from one side or both side? Both side. That's why I'm writing here what guys? Question. And I'm writing here what guys? At the rate, two string, and dot exclude. Now let's run the program and check here that actually the reason is two string of question and answer class, not the reason this one, right? Let's run the program and check the answer here, guys. Everybody see here. Can you see what is an Hibernate? What is an Hibernate? Hibernate is an ORM. Everybody's sorry. Wait. 1 minute. This print, because of the print it is giving you. I'm writing here what? Sys out. Answer is let's see. See here. Two string of list is printing. Everybody concentrate. Now you can see what is an Hibernate. How many answers are there? 3 answers. Is it printing or not? One question have multiple answer. I hope you are clear with this. This hands on karna padega bhai. You should have to do a practical. This is not easy, I'm telling you. Okay, let's see. Now shall I continue? और इतना काफी है तुम्हारे लिए? काफी है? Exclude two string will exclude. ठीक है. Okay, we'll see. अरे यार सबको देखना पड़ता, right? You can see. Exclude two string is what? See here, guys. See here. This is the confusion. क्या हुआ, तुम्हारी लिमिट रीच हो गया? चलो. चलो, let's see, guys. Two string is there. If I remove this, everybody concentrate. If I remove this, at the last, let me give you the conclusion. This will be fixed in your mind. I understood. वो तुम्हारे level से ज़्यादा हो गया आज. I can understand. I can see the faces. Now, if I don't write this one, online people see who are in the confusion state. Everybody see here. Everybody see. If I write here, see guys, see, check out here. Now see here. If I'm writing this one, it is printing the two string or not? Look. Answers. ठीक है अब? Now it's fine. Java 8 feature नहीं चाहिए. Internal, this is also doing the same. Right? Now, tell me, right now, everybody understand. This two string is printing here. Right? Sir, ये तो easy है ना? Why you are writing this much of complicated code? अरे यार, it will give all the answer at the same line. Then for different line, what we have to do? We have to write for loop. We have to iterate each and over the list up to the size. Then one we have to print. Instead of doing all those things, we had written for each na. When we are printing two string, okay, everybody see. I need this two string or not? Yes. This two string will contain all the answers or not? Yes. I need just only this. I need only just this one. But the issue is right now that it is present inside which class? Question class. And internally here, guys, if we generate the two string by our own, if we generate the two string by my own, it is printing the list also na. It is printing the list also na. Advanced चीज समझ थोड़ी आएगा. Legacy गधा मजदूरी करते रहो लिख के. Right? Two string A plus B plus C plus Z alpha beta gamma करते रहो. Now everybody concentrate. Online people. Now we are writing here Alt Shift S. Right? This is printing question or not? Now, when we are going here, guys, everybody, when we are going here, definitely a setter getter is not there, it will give you. Understand? When you are printing, it is printing what? Answer. It is printing answer. Okay. When you will go for the answer, it is printing what? Question. Question will print answer. Answer will print question or not. Back to back and throw flow is there or not. As a result, at a certain time, JVM memory will be full and you will get stack overflow error or not. For resolving all those things, I need only this printing purpose. I don't need two string will be executed. That's why I should have to remove this two string or not. I should have to remove this two string or not. Yes, I should have to remove this two string. That's why you had written here, right? What is that? Exclude. That's why you had written here exclude, right? In the same manner, we should have to remove the two string from this place or not, right? That's why you had written here what, guys? Two string exclude. Now it is only going to print what? It is only going to print the two string of this one. As a result, guys, when we are going to run this application, check out what is the answer. Everybody concentrate here. What is the answer? Right now, when we are printing, all answer is coming at the same line or not? But we need in different line, guys. Then start your Gadha Mazduri things, right? For int I equals to 0, I equals to 0, I is less than, answer dot, what is that? Size, right? And then we are writing here I plus plus, then we are writing here system dot out dot println, then we have to write here answer dot, tell me, get index of I, and then one things will be printed or not. Now if you run the program in this way, it is going to print the answer in different manner. Now suppose there verification is also there, right? Verification is also there. Now what we have to do, guys, the verification is also there, then again I have to write one more logic here, if condition, something we have to write or not. So instead of writing these things, we are going for what, guys? This place. If some verification is there, we should add here what, guys? Filter. अब समझ आया? Right? Now when we are going to run this program, we are going to get the same answer here. Chalo, I hope everybody understood this. Okay. Now what's I'm planning, guys? Let me take the suggestion from you. Hold on. What's my plan, right? As we are going for the MCQ generator type, I'm thinking this is the good time to teach you unit testing. JUnit testing. This is a tool. I thought to take it after MVC, but it's fine. Because we are going for MCQ generator, we had seen, but now testing is also there, na? Internally, your backend will be also tested, right? So what you say, from tomorrow is Friday, right? Friday, Saturday, can we go for this tool? And then freshly from the Monday onwards, we can start the Spring Boot. Otherwise, what will happen? The gap will be there on Sunday. The gap will be there on Sunday in your mind. Then Spring Boot, whatever I had started, again I have to start the same thing from Monday. So instead of that, let's spend 2 days on this testing tools. Right? I will show you how to do the JUnit testing with core Java program, with advanced Java program. And then when we learn this one, right? And when we reach out to Spring MVC, पूरे क्लास सोया है वो. हाँ you भाई तुम्हें डायरेक्ट ब्रह्मा मिल जाएंगे इतना सोओगे तो. Like this from starting onwards, ऐसे कर लेते थोड़ा भगवान आ जाता. सच में आ जाएगा, जॉब नहीं आएगा, but definitely God will come. Try there. 3-4 days right now, if nobody is praying, every mindset is gone. 3-4 days if you try, God will come. Then you will say, भगवान आ जाएंगे, जॉब मांग लूंगा. 2 थप्पड़ मार के जाएंगे वो गदा लेके आएंगे. Right? त्रिशूल और गदा लेके आएंगे वो. Directly not. You are thinking that I will, instead of learning all those things, let's pray to the God. God will come and I will ask the job. Job नहीं मिलेगा तुम्हें उस time, right? चलो, fine. So tomorrow, guys, 2 days we are going to work on J unit, right? Please don't miss the class. Very, very important terms, right? 2 days we'll work on core Java, some backend. I will show you that actually MCQ generator, when you are writing the code, and suppose you are mismatching the things, how actually the execution will be there. And one day we'll work on, Saturday we'll work on database. If Saturday, Sunday will not complete, if I check the things will be carry forwarded, I will call the class on Sunday for the final step. But 100% from Monday onwards, Spring Boot will be started. Everybody understand? And 1 week on Spring Boot, 1 week on Spring Boot there, up to 28. Everybody see here, up to 28. And then after completing this, we will start the data JPA from the things. Now in the September, Spring Boot basics will be completed with 30% of. Now in September starting only, guys, we will complete the MVC. I mean to say in 15 days only, we'll complete the MVC and rest. Then only the thing left behind is what? Security, microservice, AI. 3 things. 15 to 20 days, I can manage it. Tools, Git, Log4j, Mockito, everything will be there on Sunday classes. So September, I'm pretty sure that every Sunday will be the class. September, right? Okay, fine, guys. So you can leave then. I will share you the notes today, pakka. Both day notes will be there, guys. Don't miss the classes from tomorrow onwards. Mockito also. Avik, Mockito also. Yeah. Mockito also. Many to many. Yesterday only. It's a simple one. You understood this one, Sabik? Right? Yesterday only 10 minutes, many to many will be completed. Thank you.
जीवन कुड़ी से नहीं थी କହିଲେ କଣ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ବାହାରେ ସେ ଏଇଠି ଠିଆ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଖାଲି ଆଖି କାନଟା ହେଇଛି ସେ କାଜଲଟା ପଳେଇବ ନା खुड़ी पढ़ा ले रात में मामा बिल्ली खुड़ी गायत्री खुड़ी और खुड़ी नोरा खुड़ी गायत्री खुड़ी ନାହାନ୍ତି ନା କଣ ମନ୍ଦିର ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି କି କଣ
ମାରେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଦିଟା ବୁରା ମତେ ଦେବୁ ନା ଏଇଠି କାଦର ଟିକେ ଚଳିପାରୁନି ଏଇଠି ଗୋଟେ ପକାନ୍ତି ଏଇଠି ଏ ଖାଲି ବୁରା ପଡ଼ିଛି ନା କୋଉଠି
ମୁଁ ଆସେ ଏଇ ଆଖି ସ୍କାନ୍ କରି
ପାରୁନା ଟିକେ ଦେବୁ ଏଇଠି ଚାଲି ପାରୁନି ଗାଧେଇ ପାରୁନି କାଦ ହେଇଯାଉଛି
ହେଇଯିବ ନଦେବ ସେ ବୋଧେ ତୋର ବୋଉ କାହିଁ ରହିଛି ସେ ଇଏ ପାଇଁ ଯାଇକି ଏତେ କଥା କହିଲେ କାହିଁ ଦରକାର ସେଟା କହିଲା ଆମେ ଛତୁ ପତ୍ର ବସି ନା ଆସିଲାକି ଆମେ ଏଇ ପାଇଁ ବଡ଼ ପତ୍ର ଯାଇ ବନ୍ଧା ଦେବୁ ନଦେବ ତୋର ବୋଉ କ'ଣ ଯାଇଥିଲା ଆମେ ସବୁ ମଣିବୁ ଆସ କଥା କାହିଁ ଉଠେ ମୋତେ ଆମ ଛୁଆ ବି ପାଟି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯଦି ତୋର କ'ଣ ଦରକାର ଡାକିଲେ ସେ ତାର ଗଲେ ସବୁ ନହେଲେ ଇଏ ବିପଦକୁ ଆସିଲେ ସେ କଲା ଆସୁନି ତାର ମୁଁ ରହିଛି ଡାକିଲି ଏଇ ପାଇଁ ମୁନା ଆଜି ଯାଇଥିଲା ସୁରେନ୍ଦ୍ର ଆଡ଼େ ପୁରୀ ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର ସେ ତାକୁ ଦେଲେ ପାଣି
ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ 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 ସ୍ୱାମୀ ଭଗବତୀ ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ପ୍ରଭୁ ଶ୍ରୀକୃଷ୍ଣ ଗୋବିନ୍ଦ ହରେ ହରେ କୃଷ୍ଣ
ବାପା ଦେଇ ଯାଇଛ ନା? କାଇଁ ଏତେ ଗାଈଆଳ କରୁଛ ସେଟାକୁ ଓଣିକିଆ କଣ ଡକଉଛୁ ଏକେ ଏକେ ଦୁଇଟା କଣ ହଁ ବଣିକା ମଣିକାଟା ଚାହୁଁନି ପିଲା ଡାଇଭର ହବ ଢେର ପାଠ ଅଛି ହଁ ଏକେ ଏକେ ଦୁଇ ସେଠି ସେଟା ସେବ ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଇନାହିଁ ଓଣିକିଆ ତ ତୃତୀୟ ଶ୍ରେଣୀର ଆରମ୍ଭ ହବ ଗାଁ ନା ବାପ ନା ମା ନା ୟା ନା ତା ନା ବାପର ମା କଣ ମାର ବାପ କଣ ଜେଜେ କଣ ଜେଜେମା କଣ ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ଶିଖଉନ